The Mustang's arrival ignited a firestorm in the automotive industry, giving birth to a whole new breed of car, the pony car. These cars were characterized by their sporty looks and affordable price tags. These were compact, affordable coupes designed for performance and style. They were the perfect blend of power and elegance, appealing to a wide range of drivers. And the Mustang was the undisputed king of the herd. Its sleek design and powerful engine options set it apart from the competition. The first generation of Mustangs from 1964 to 1973 offered a dizzying array of options. Buyers could customize their cars to fit their exact preferences. You could get your Mustang in a coupe, a convertible, or a fastback. Each body style had its own unique appeal and charm. There were multiple engine choices, from economical 6 cylinders to fire-breathing V8s. This variety allowed drivers to choose the level of performance they desired, but the Mustang wasn't just about straight-line speed. It was also designed to handle curves and corners with ease. It handled like a dream, thanks in part to its unibody construction and sophisticated suspension. This made it a joy to drive on any road. In 1965, Ford teamed up with racing legend Carroll Shelby to create a high-performance variant of the Mustang. This collaboration brought racing pedigree to the Mustang lineup. The result was a beast on the track and an instant icon. The Shelby Mustang dominated races and captured the hearts of car enthusiasts. The Shelby Mustang, with its Cobra badges and racing stripes, became a symbol of American performance. It represented the pinnacle of what a muscle car could be. The Mustang's impact went far beyond the showroom floor. It became a cultural icon, influencing music, fashion, and lifestyle. It appeared in countless movies and TV shows, becoming a cultural touchstone for a generation. The Mustang's presence on screen cemented its status as a legend in the automotive world.